kind of electronics not working in my dreams. That I don't know what it is, but it really spooks me, and it's some kind of like deep set fear that I have for some reason. I don't know. I've always had dreams like that where I walk into a room and the lights aren't working. It really bothers me. So last night when I turned on the light switch and it immediately blew, it's almost like it's a real, like the animal within me, like it's a very animalistic reaction of just like panic for me. It's really bizarre. When that happens in dreams, I feel like something awful is about to happen. Yeah, I don't think it's super fight or flight. Yeah, and my stuffed toy dream where the bedside lamp didn't turn on, corn curls, and then there was a meerkat sitting there. Exactly. But then it was just a stuffed toy meerkat, but it was staring at me. You remember. I was having trouble waking up from a dream this morning. Was dreaming I was in my bed, waking up but couldn't move. I moved my arm in my dream and could see my real view and my arm wasn't there. Oof. That, yeah, it sounds like you had some minor sleep paralysis. I'm awful at pronouncing that word. Paralysis, Dork Noodle. And you can't journal anything for anything? Yeah, Corn, it's a mood. Lights not turning on in dreams, so frustrating. It's just, you wouldn't think it'd be that much of a thing that bothers you, but that's one of the spookiest things for me. If I see it in a movie or something, it's like, oh, lame, you know, that's not scary. But something about it, it's because you're so trained, right? We're so trained with the operant conditioning. You flick a light switch, the light turns on. You flick it, you make that sound, you feel the tactile feel of it flicking, the light should come on. So when it doesn't, my brain just sort of like locks down. It cannot handle it at all. It really doesn't like it. It also freaks you out, Corn. Good thing I'm trained to be a Sparky where that could happen often. Yeah, you love that. I guess if you're expecting it, it's not so bad though. Like if you're like, okay, there's a chance if I turn on this light switch it's not going to work, then that wouldn't bother me as much, I think. Yep, Dork Noodle. I have this dreams the same with bedside lamp not working, and then a stuffed meerkat is staring at me. The dreams you remember are usually adventurous. Ruth, feel free to share. Your stuff. Yeah. There's the. I already read that message. I'm always out doing some kind of mission in your dreams, Ruth. That's pretty cool. I sometimes dream about getting up and starting my day. Then after a while, wake up and realize I was asleep the whole time. I hate those dreams so much. Good night, Caps and Jarth. Have a good one. Please don't have nightmares. No, please do not get me that meerkat, Corn. I would actually cry. Pom has summoned. Speaking of nightmares, Pom has summoned an eldritch being.
Big. Do you see these? You remind me today of a small Mexican chihuahua. Damn! He's dead. There they are, Albert. Faces of stone.
Lord, I can hear you perfectly.
It doesn't get any bluer.
We are like the dreamer who dreams and then lives inside the dream. But who is the dreamer? What the hell?
What the hell indeed. Good. Lynchy is back. All is well in the world. Hey, my iceberg heart knew all about it. Nice one. Hello, Aussie Wheels. Thank you for peeking out of the lurking shadows. Who else can recite the entire thing now? I mean, it doesn't surprise me, Corn. You've been well trained at this point. And now we're getting some David Lynch hair as well. Let's go.
Screw the rules, I have
David Lynch.
hair. Huh. Well, that was just weird.
See if I can get it going. Yeah, not too bad. Now I match. Lynchy and I, we match. For those of you who don't know who Lynchy is, Lynchy's full name is David Lynchy Mimsy von Herman. And he is brought to us upon this mortal realm by none other than the mother of Furbies herself, Lovely. I highly suggest giving my dear friend Lovely your valuable follows. Yeah, that was just weird. It didn't glitch out for once. I love how we just expect it to glitch out now. Well, we were making good progress on this, but it's been like 20 minutes and I haven't gotten very far since I last said that. Again, another chiptune one. Welcome back, Stalking Tiger. How was dinner? I'm glad you're enjoying the Octo expansion so much, Darcy. That's really good. You've built this and you've also made this 3 levels high on both buildings. Oh, nice. You added onto it. Nice one. I haven't done anything like that. If I did that with this set, though, it wouldn't fit on my book on the shelf that it's going to go on either, so. Good, eating it right now as we speak. Nice one. Did you end up going with pie or dumplings? I remember a dream I had when I was 15. I was in a Mario game and had to fight Bowser in my house, and all I could find to fight him with was a coat hanger. Me versus Bowser with a hanger. Let me tell you, it didn't go well. That's amazing. I feel like when I have that kind of dream where it's like building up to something, it usually doesn't actually get to the thing that it's building up to. Like, we never get to the fireworks factory. Oh, chicken and chips. Nice one. Well, unless Barnstar wants to send me another copy of this set, Aussie Wheels, I'm not sure I'll be. I'll be doing that mod. But like I said, it's fine. It wouldn't fit on my shelf anyway. I'm yet to buy any set twice and use it to add on to an existing set, but I have actually bought a second copy of the Hogwarts Clock Tower to do that with, to mock my own stuff out of. So I'm not sure I'll use it to expand my existing clock tower, but to expand the Hogwarts Castle in general. Hey, Jetpack Paul, how you doing, dude? Good to see you. Going pretty well, my man. Going pretty well. I did not realize that level had a time limit. Oh my god, Darcy, no. You can't take your time, Darcy. Alright, you go and concentrate for a minute, Darcy. The amount of time I've played in Splatoon in 20 days reached 100 hours last night. I'm low-key now waiting for a Splat stream. Yeah, I actually think I was dreaming about Splatoon a little bit last night myself. I remember a dream I had when I was a little kid where the washing machine was moving around the house and searching for me and I was hiding from it. Good god, that sounds like something out of Goosebumps or like Stephen King or something. Alright, corn curls, enjoy your dinner. Man, you guys are making me hungry. All this food talk. Yeah, I do miss Corn. I miss him already. Don't tell him though, it's pretty cringe. Oh god, Orlad. Alright, I'll read the whole thing. This is for you, Super. I know you're not here, but have you ever had a dream that you want them to do so much you could do anything? You're welcome. To put 100 hours into perspective for you, TSG, I've only done 110 hours in Pokemon Snap. That's amazing that you've done 110 hours in Pokemon Snap. I feel like I've done like 20. Also, hello, Orlad, welcome. Trust me, I have heard that clip so much on Supercomputer's stream. It's permanently ingrained into my brain, into my frontal lobe. I miss my Kiwi mate because only we will understand the oi you call. I'm sorry, I'm a lowly Australian.